Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can apply voice effect on CapCut. So tap on your project and select your video you want to edit, and then just going to tap on the clip, and then just going to select voice effect. So select this available here. For instance, going to select this height, for pitch and timbre. Select the check marks, and you go. So you can also just for the sorry. You can also just for the poly. So that's how to apply voice effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.